the two nature brothers. And first episode, no judging, please, yeah, please, give us a thumbs up. Yeah, and little Jimmy here, little Jimmy is going to be very happy, very happy.
He's really scared right now.
Now we're gonna hand this to our fellow nature brother.
I don't want to hold it.
Our feather, little Jimmy's going to our nature brother and
nature boy brother.
There's Jimmy for you.
And he's really
on the loose. God, there goes Jimmy.
No, he's on a leg.
Jimmy is on a leg. Okay. So this first episode is like, hello.
We're just doing our first episode.
Hi. What we do, the Nature Bros always
find nature
and animals
and
we discover.
So let's just take you to the room.
Yes. Well,
the Nature Boy captivity.
Jaden.
Let's go to the Nature Bros.
You don't need a lizard.
Let's go to the Nature Bros
room. Alright, let's go.
Room. The Nature Boy's den.
Yeah, Nature Boy's den.
Here we go. Oh. Oh. Hello.
Hey.
Yes.
Yes, pause for the thingy.
Pause.
Pose. What? There's a red-tailed catfish in there.
Snapping turtle.
I bet you can barely see that.
You can't.
He just ate the food I put in there.
What?
The
I put a little. It was one of these. Just a little pellet. But he ate one of those.
Feeding time.
It's gonna be hard to get to where he is.
Yeah.
Here, let me see. I'll see if I can drop it back.
Where's the red tail?
He's gonna be under the filter somewhere. Yeah, he's under there.
That's the red tail?
No, that's a plica. You see the food that just dropped?
He's
Behind the plica?
Yeah, he's a bottom feeder.
Yep.
The red tail is a bottom feeder too.
All of that poop that you see on the bottom, all the little strings, are those the plicas.
Oh. There's Lucy, the bearded dragon.
Which one?
Oscar.
Oh, yeah.
Oscar.
And you see the other one? You see that rock right there, right behind it? You see his head.
He's so awesome.
You see him? Yeah, it's a biker. He thinks you're about to feed him, bro.
He does. Whoa!
What is wrong with him?
That's why he went to his food bowl.
You want to feed him?
Why is he laying in his food bowl?
You want to feed him something? See what he eats?
Let's feed him. They eat kale. They can also eat grapes.
This is a
They eat kale. They eat grapes.
and this is the poop.
That's the poop. Scat. Disco party fish tank thingamajigger.
Tomato.
Tomato.
He's looking.
Oh.
Okay.
Take a minute to chew it up.
He's like, no. Yeah, he's gonna eat that whole thing.
He's eating the tomato right now. Oh, isn't it?
Oh, yeah.
I had a dream last night that the big Kratos.
There we go. Let's.
You couldn't find him?
So, that was the Nature Bros Den. the nature bros, like, what the nature bros do, they catch animals, they save lives of animals, and they do the best that they can to help animals. And I do DIYs. I do DIYs too, so you can go check that out once I do them, since this is the first episode. But, so, yeah, so this first episode will be, in this episode we will show you, we just showed you a bunch of animals. We'll show you some bird eggs, you possibly might see some lizards, more lizards. They're going to be green anoles if you do see lizards, because I only have green anoles here. My cousin has house geckos. They're really cool. Yeah. Be right back. Okay, and we're back.
We are back.
We're both back. I just told them about what we do and what they're gonna see next on the next video.
The next video.
No. You're just gonna see something just real quick. Everything that I just told you about. Yeah, that's the next video, so you're gonna go check that out. And in this video, we're going to go quickly show you some a bird thing that we found. That we put together.
And we made this bird nest.
Yeah, we found a bird nest, and the mother bird would not come back. Like, it would not come back. And the eggs would die out, and they wouldn't live. I'll be back. They just stayed there, so. Okay. So, if we just let them stay there, then they would have died. So, we did our best and tried to help them, and this is what we did. This is also a DIY. Check those out. So, we found the bird nest, and you just peel that back whenever we want to see it, whenever you just put it back, like that. So, this is the box. I just painted a box that my mom always used for, like, tissue box, anything. So, the mom would not come back. So, do not go up to an egg and move its position. I grabbed the nest from underneath and then put it in here. Do not move the eggs from their positions. Because if you do, that'll change the yolk, and that won't let them process and hatch. So, I just grabbed it from the bottom and put it in here. And we got some tin foil, because if you use, well, this is aluminum, but aluminum and tin foil, if you put that in the sun, it makes it warmer in the box. So yeah, there's that, which makes it warm in here. And here's the eggs.
You can't touch them.
You can't touch them.
So we're bringing the yard down.
Woo!
See, the eggs is pretty dark in here now. When they hatch, we're gonna like take them out, put them in a bigger place.
We might raise them in that right there. And then when they get like a little bit bigger after that,
Would they start growing the feathers?
when they start growing feathers, and we're gonna try to teach them how to fly. I have no clue how that's gonna work out, but kid can only dream. So there's 3 eggs in here. They're all speckled, and we're pretty sure they're mockingbird eggs.
Or blue jay. One of those two.
He thinks it's a blue jay. I think it's a mockingbird.
Blue jay.
Mockingbird.
Okay.
We'll only find out.
When they hatch.
What do you think? If you think it's gonna be a blue jay, comment down below. If you think it's gonna be a mockingbird, comment down below. So, yeah. And we will definitely show you
If you
right
come,
when they hatch.
we'll show you. We'll start the video and we'll show you. We'll take them out.
Yeah, we will show you for sure. Well, we won't touch them,
Right now, because they're in the eggs.
and we won't touch them right when they hatch because
They're
disgusting. Well, we might wash them off
before we touch them. Plus, we have germs that they can't take.
Yeah. So, if you're into animals, this is perfect for you. If you're into arts and crafts, this is good for you. If you're interested in animals
And birds.
and birds and so on and so on, nature
Okay.
and other stuff like just nature, this is perfect for you.
That's what he said. If you want to see the birds, you'll come to Osway Street. And we'll show you the birds. Comment down below.
We will definitely show you the birds.
Like not right when they hatch, like 3 hours later, 3 or 4 hours later.
Okay, that's enough talking about that. I'm sure you're getting bored hearing about birds.
No. Okay.
Okay, so what else do you want to know? Do you want?
Comment down below, and we'll tell you when they hatch.
Yeah,
Probably by next month or 2.
yeah. We
If
don't
they
know.
aren't rotten. If they aren't rotten.
We hope that they're not rotten.
They have like lots of speckles, brownish, yellowish, brownish.
They're blue with brown speckles.
Yeah. See, comment down below if you want to see them, and goodbye.
Wait, we need to say what we say at the end of every video. You are a nature bro too.